Have you ever read an amazing book, watched an inspiring video, or had a brilliant idea, and then completely forgotten it a few days later? If yes, you're not alone. We live in an age of information overload. Every day, we consume articles, podcasts, videos, newsletters, posts, and endless streams of content. The problem is not that we don't have enough information. The problem is that we have too much of it, and our brains were never designed to store everything. This is where the idea of a second brain comes in. A second brain is a digital system that stores your ideas, lessons, insights, and knowledge. So your biological brain can focus on thinking instead of remembering. Many successful entrepreneurs, creators, and high performers use some form of this system because they understand one important truth. Your mind is for creating ideas, not for storing them. So, how do you build a second brain? Step 1. Capture everything valuable. Whenever you come across an interesting idea, save it immediately. A useful article, a powerful quote, a business insight, a lesson from a book, a random idea that appears while taking a walk. Do not trust your memory, because great ideas are fragile. They disappear quickly. Modern tools like Notion, Obsidian, Evernote, or even a simple notes app can help you create a trusted place to store information. Think of this as collecting raw materials for future thinking, because today's small idea may become tomorrow's big opportunity. Step 2. Stop organizing information like a digital library. Most people create endless folders: marketing, finance, books, ideas, productivity. Eventually, everything becomes difficult to find. Instead, ask yourself one simple question: when will this information become useful? Knowledge becomes valuable only when it can be used. Your notes should help you take action, solve problems, and make better decisions. A second brain is not a storage system. It is a thinking system. Step 3. Distill what you learn. Saving information is not enough. You also need to simplify it. Imagine opening a note 6 months from now. Will you remember why you saved it? Probably not. That is why every important note should contain 3 things: a short summary, the main lesson, and why it matters. Make it easy for your future self. The goal is not to collect information. The goal is to create understanding, because information without understanding is just digital clutter. Imagine remembering the best lessons from every book you have ever read. Imagine instantly finding ideas when working on a project. Imagine connecting knowledge from different fields and creating entirely new insights. That is the power of a second brain. In today's world, success does not belong to the people who consume the most information. It belongs to the people who can organize it, connect it, and use it effectively. So start small. Capture one idea today. Create one note. Build one system. And over time, you will create a digital mind that grows alongside your own. Because your best ideas deserve more than memory. They deserve a permanent home. This is how you build your second brain.